Hello and welcome to a new chapter. Today, we will take you to a favorite place of children and grown-ups too.
And mine too! While Tiffy and Luffy are buying tickets to go inside, here is your clue to guess where we are. Sea creatures of every kind you will find right here. Fun to watch them swim around you and see them from very near. A. Aquarium. B. Ship. C. Pond.
Great guess, friends! I'm amazed how you get this every time. We are at the aquarium, and we will be learning how to multiply with the numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9. While waiting for the tickets, let's run through the multiplication tables of 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. 10 times 6 is 60. Look at this number pattern that shows skip counting by 6.
Now let's solve a multiplication problem. Mrs. Kumar brought 3 children to the aquarium. The tickets were priced at $6 per child. How much did Mrs. Kumar pay to buy tickets for 3 children? Let's find out. 1 ticket costs $6, so 3 tickets will cost 6, 12, 18. Yes, $18. Remember, 3 multiplied by 6 is the same as 6 multiplied by 3. That is equal to 18. Mrs. Kumar paid $18 for the 3 children.
Here is one more. 8 tourists' vans arrived at the aquarium. Each van had 6 tourists in them. How many tourists arrived in the vans altogether? Let's count how many tourists are in each van. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 8 times 6 is equal to 6 times 8. That is equal to 48. 48 tourists arrived in the 8 vans.
Here is one more.
We spotted 10 billboards on the way to the aquarium. Each billboard was lit up with 6 lights each. How many lights were there altogether on the 10 billboards? Let's count how many lights. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6 times 10 is the same as 10 times 6. That is equal to 60. We saw 60 lights on the 10 billboards.
Professor, looks like Luffy and Tippy have got the tickets to the aquarium. I can't wait to go inside.
Awesome! It's time to go inside the aquarium. Friends, while we make our way inside and see you there in the next lesson, why don't you take a look at the tables of 6 one more time and try out the quiz after that?